Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Concept. I am Sana and I am back with another ServiceNow video. In my previous video, we have learned how to navigate different modules in ServiceNow, how to change application scope and updates it, and how to install plugins. In today's video, we will learn where to run script in ServiceNow, where to save it permanently, and where we run it temporarily. And what does script include? So let's start it with practical session and understand these concepts in ServiceNow. So first, we are going to learn what is background script. And background script is used to debug the script temporarily manner. So it does not store the script anymore. So just in application navigator, you need to type scripts. So see, under system definition, you will find script dash background. This is background script where you can run your script. So here you can write any of glide record and other scripting methods. If you want to learn the scripting in our channel, we have a scripting series. So go back to my channel and you will find the scripting series. Or in the description box, I will paste the playlist. So you can refer there also. So here you can simply type where gr you will find this glide record syntax. Here whatever you want, whatever you have to run the script temporarily, suppose you have to see count of incident or you have to see how many categories are in the incident, so you will use this. So the next is fix script. So in the fix script prefers the type of script record that define reusable server-side script that you can execute on demand. Like it stores and run the script and make the record of script. Okay. So if you see here in system definition only, you will see the fixed scripts. So here you can create a record for scripts and you can save it. So it will save your script permanently. Okay, so we'll click on new. So here you have to write the name of script. This is unloadable checkbox. This option creates a update record like sys update XML. This will create when you run the fix script. And this is a rollback checkbox. This is one of the important checkbox. This is the option to execute if the script, so if you need to revert it, you can revert it back. It will create one record in sys execution history table. Okay, and here you have to write the description and here you can write the script as like same. You have, you can also run here glide record, glide aggregate and different methods of whatever we have to write it. And if you see, if you save this, you will found an option to as of now I will write here test and save it, or you can click on submit button. So after saving the record, you will found an option called run fix script. So this button shows you the option. If this is not a perfect script, but if you run the script, it shows you the option like to proceed and proceed in background. These two options. If you click on proceed, the script will runs, and if you click on proceed in background, it the scripts run into the background. And proceed background option used when you have longer script runnings and you don't know actually the execution time of your script, so you can proceed with this button. Okay, Yes. So I will show you one example of fixed script. Here one ready fixed script I have which updates the short description of incident. This is the incident I have taken. This SysID with this SysID. Okay, I will update the short description to test Sana to test Sana 234. Okay. Yeah. First save this. These are some icons. You can use it for save purpose to format your code. Okay, and to open it on the full screen. Okay, so now click on fix script, run fix script, and proceed it. So yeah, close it and see short description is updated to Sana 2 test Sana 234. Okay, now there is one option to roll back it as I told you. So for roll back that thing, you have to go to application navigator and search for script execution history. Sorry, script execution history. So here you will find rollback records under rollback and recovery. Open it. See, it is executed by there, started is there, and when the script is finished. So you can open the recent one. Sorry, that's my mistake. You can open it from here. Opening this execution history, you will find your script, your rollback record number. See, this is the rollback context. This record will be created behalf of this script rollback record as well. Here is the checkbox record for rollback. So while running the background script, you can simply check this checkbox, or by default it is check as well. So here you can, if you run the script, it will create the rollback record. And also I will show you the rollback record where that actual record is stored. Yeah. From here you can open this record, and this is rollback context. If you open this record, you will go to this rollback context table. Okay, if you open this from application navigator, you will find a rollback record list. See, all rollback record will be. Now we will move towards the script include. So actually script include is a server side script, or inside that we can run server side scripting which defines the function or classes. It is reusable code. Okay, we can reuse it multiple times. So under application navigator, you can search for script includes. Under, yeah, under administration, you will find the script include module. Okay, here these all are, yeah, these all are script includes, where you can create three types of script include. First, on-demand script include, which also called as classless. Second, extended script include, which basically use for use in client script, which is majorly used script include. And third one is define a new class. So if this I can test, see here, it will take as scope name dot test. This is the API name. Here we have an checkboxes to enable it. First, glide ajax checkbox. It's also this is the client callable checkbox. By checking this, we can enable a call server side code to client side by using glide ajax. So it is compulsory to check this. If you check this, it will gives you the extended scripting. If it is not checked, this is the on demand scripting tool. Okay. So here you can create a script include record and use it from the client script. So these all are the three script modules where you can write your script and use it. So thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. For more video, please support us. Thanks for watching.